Mokolo School. The other thing is that for the business partner, I've learned a lot concerning the EFT, and then also the budgeting, and then also for encouraging me to have a diary. I used to have it, but I just leave it all the way. And then the other thing is that I just want to appreciate all of you for coming. Thank you so much.
I want to appreciate all the leaders for the information that they brought to us this morning. It was quite fruitful and I've learned a lot. And it goes to say fourth industrial revolution is here. We can never run away from it. But it's a saying that says, if you cannot beat them, join them. Then I would also like to appreciate all our second members for their beautiful contributions that they are bringing into the second. Day in, day out, we are growing as adults, we are growing as parents, as individuals. Because whatever we share in here, we take it to our own families, to our own family gatherings, and to our own schools, and it's making a good impact. Thank you.
Yes, I want to say thank you to Mokolo School for everything they've provided for us. I've only been this last part here, but it's wonderful. Thanks for the lunch and everything, and everyone that's here. I think you had a long day. I missed a part, but it was lovely to see everyone again from my side. It was really lovely. Thank you.
Thanks. I want to appreciate the fact that through you, Brenda, you have introduced me to Falva, but I've never been to this place. Let me also appreciate one of our principals acknowledging that today I'm free, I'm a little bit free. And I told him, no, today I'm teaching between the legs. So there's no way in which I cannot be vibrant. And Brenda, thank you very much for introducing to us the presentations by the business partners. There's a lot that I think you had my frustrations about the SMS package. I've got a solution. There is also all the presentations what else to be, but there are these two, the SMS package and the budget. You see, to be very honest, I don't know, I'm not speaking on behalf of all males here, black males, let me put it that way. But we don't sit down with our own families to budget. I'm speaking under pressure. We don't do that because there are some expenses that we incur without their knowledge.
You don't want to talk about it.
But today, I'm aware that will be after my portion. Thank you.
Let me start first by appreciating our business partners for the giftings, starting with Pastor Phyllis about 7 food, and then going to Dawn about clothing, Janine, electronic tools, Marilyn about the diaries, communication, and the finances, lastly to Erna about the budget and the review. Thank you all so much about the information. It's going to help us a lot, one way or the other. And Brenda, to you, thanks very much. And to Mokolo, present us. Thanks for hosting us. Thank you all, partners. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for keeping our mouths wet and our tongues full for the whole day. We truly appreciated it. I realize at least Marlene will be here, so there'll be enough snacks to get us through the day, so thank you. Yes.
I didn't disappoint.
Not at all, not at all. Yes, thanks to Brenda for hosting this circle. I think every time we just get together, I'm just so overwhelmed with the privilege to being part of this group. And even spending time again at Finca School this week and even popping in with Joseph School, you can just really sense that there's change coming, even if it's just in 8 schools and it's just in some ways, but the change is coming. So thankful everyone, and I think even just for the principals, for them all being vulnerable and just sharing their struggles freely in this circle, just makes it so much more personal, so thank you.
Okay. Firstly, I'd like to thank the 2 beautiful ladies there for the warm welcome that they did this morning, and then also the hospitality there. Thank you very much. It was very delicious. And then to our business leaders, thank you for all the presentations. I think it came at the right time when we will be planning for next year. Then starting for now, we know that we must have diaries so that whatever we are planning, then we plan it in such a way that at the end we put our feet down to say, I've spent sleepless nights preparing or planning this, then I must stick to my plan. Thank you very much. And then also to Brenda, thank you so much for always being patient with us, and then also posting the information on our group so that every day we are learning. And then we are also sharing with our people to say, look guys, there will be an outdoor activity, just start planning the foundation phase kids. Then they are really taking it very serious. Thank you. Keep on posting, even if sometimes we don't report back, but know that then something we are learning, then something is happening, but we learn just to show you that we have just received the information. Then to all of our colleagues, then we are very much fortunate to have all these business people on our side. Then whatever we are doing, really they are on our side to share with, to make our lives simple. Then I say, can the Almighty God just keep us and then save us, and then even for the coming session, so that we can just move this partnership more and more fruitfully. So, thank you.
To the business leader Marine and Busi, the principal of Mokoro, thank you for such wonderful hosting. The last time I was here is just 14, 15 years. This school by then only had 4 blocks of classrooms, and it didn't only grow, it has also developed, because there's a difference between the two. So we appreciate that, principal. Janine, I shouldn't forget you. Thank you for the initiative of bringing shoes to my school and Finika's school. Finika, I wish I had the skill of reading from the top of your head the list of giftings that we had this afternoon. But in summary, I want to believe that the gifting challenges us to change the culture that we have in the system. And there's a saying that, I'm not sure whether I learned it from here, that when there are 10 rooms in that culture, from your room, start making an impact. I think from the diaries thing to the finances, should we from PFP principals start making our own impact, we will challenge the system to go to another level of improvement. And thank you all for being here to improve our lives. Thank you so much.
Thank you, especially to
Brenda, thank you for being a wonderful taskmaster always. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, the whole school, the 2 partners, Lucy and Marlene, for hosting us. I've actually came home because I married here. My in-laws are staying in Farvagar. So I really appreciate it. The meals that you prepared for us, it was very, very much delicious. And to all the presenters, really, in each presentation, I think I gained 99.9% of what you said. It was really fruitful. I am very much capacitated, and I think I will make a difference as soon as I go back to the school that I'm leading. And also, thank you very much, Brenda, for leading us so nicely. And really, we are learning from you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, the host team, thank you very much for such an august occasion like this one today. We really appreciate our LPF. We really appreciate actually a workaholic lady. You work hard, you keep it up. You are putting us, some gunpowder and us banners, we jump. And we really appreciate to these principles, really, when we listen and hear some of the things that you're going through, they are challenging. But I'm happy that you are taking the bull by its horns through PFP to bring a radical change and transformation within the education system of our nation, South Africa. We really appreciate. Our cameraman, here we go. We really appreciate you. It's like you're working behind the scenes, but making things happen. We also want to appreciate you so much. Thank you, guys.
Let me take this opportunity to appreciate a blessed and a very progressive day, the 10th of October 2019 in Falvat at Mokolo Primary School. It really happened indeed. Since I arrived at this school, I really appreciated everything that I saw here. And I had English that what you don't appreciate will depreciate. So thank you, the whole school, for really opening doors for us. And it has been a learning curve. This is really thinking environment. I was reminded of Letamo. I also checked if there are some monkeys around here, but nevertheless, the warmth of the area is highly appreciated. I was checking even the taste of the food here, the deliciosity. I mean, it was so marvelously prepared. And congratulations, excellent. They used to say, the best way to a man's heart is through the stomach. So I want to believe everyone is satisfied. And people, I also appreciate the way this room has been decorated. This is a learning environment. They used to say history is the study of the past based on evidence. We are aware, as we check here, we can easily realize where we came from, where we are presently, and where we are heading to. This is a very important environment indeed in terms of going forward. But nevertheless, also appreciate the way these business leaders have prepared themselves for us. Really, I should think some went extra miles, really, in terms of, also check the plethora of knowledge that was delivered at this level. The information or 7 leadership, principles of planning, how can we use electronic tools to make our lives more efficient, diary management, time management, and fundraising. I mean, the presentation of personal finance issues, and in principle, they talk of financial management. Or usually we thought that these issues of budget are in the professional sectors. As families, I should think we've not been doing enough. And sometimes I was so touched by the issues of being divorced because of finance. Because finance is here to help us move forward. They used to say silver and gold belong to God. How do we separate because of finance? The blessings of God are not coupled with grief. So they used to say where there is no purpose, abuse is inevitable. So from these messages of empowerment that we got going forward, I want to believe we are chased people led. And as we can win from home, they used to say charity begins at home. So this means there are a lot of us out there in the professional sectors, in different departments, who are underperforming because of, not of the system, but because of our family backgrounds and setups. So if you can win from home, we can win even in our working spaces as stakeholders. Thank you for even that. I also appreciated the issue of that facilitator being able to go extra mile to come down to our schools and empower us on how to prepare budget, for instance, and how to implement it, how to monitor it. But I like also that principle of debt review. If you feel you are sinking, don't commit suicide. There are solutions. Don't divorce. There are solutions. So going forward, I should think this is a community building initiative. Yeah, our parents will really appreciate it. And I'm prepared from here to cascade this information back to my school so that those stakeholders are not sinking while there is a provision. We really appreciate what you have been doing as leaders. And As I wrap up, I also want to take this opportunity to appreciate the leadership of Partners for Possibility in the form of Ms. Brenda Scrooge and the husband. You are really feeding us accordingly. I never regretted since I joined this organization, and I'm aware that the sky is the limit. Congratulations, excellent, marvelous. I was listening to even the comment of Desmond Tutu. I mean, what you've been sending to us, I was listening to what Tutu said about this program. And I also like the way they cooperate. Nelson Mandela Madiba said in the United States, what took with Bill Clinton in sort of that challenge that he experienced. You see, real things can fall apart, but the issue is, they used to say, righteous men may fall 7 times, but still resuscitate. Pick up the pieces. God is here to put back broken pieces together, back to the drawing board. And I should go forward as we play them. Will be better people. Thank you. What do you think?
I got a boulder. This is keeping.
I just want to appreciate our host, as everybody else did, and thank you for the quality time and the food. And with that, I want to appreciate how much Andres did eat, because I did notice that he had 2 full platefuls over here. So yes, he did enjoy the food. So I just want to appreciate that. And as one that is suffering from jet lag or long distance travel, I do appreciate the somewhat abbreviated COP today. And if you're driving behind me, just watch. I have not stopped for a drink or anything, but I may be going all over the place as I try to make it home here today. So I just want to appreciate everybody's attendance and their input there. Thank you.
Praise God.
Great, because I do thank you up front for this amazing reception. We felt at home. It was lovely to see the smiling eyes and the shining eyes amongst the students, and your tour of the school with us. We really appreciate it. I know it takes a lot of effort, special out of your budget and your funding, to host such a big crowd, but it's really been exceptionally done, and we thank you for it. Thank you for the idea of the yellow. It will be remembered as the yellow cop, and thank you for that also, Janine, for bringing us the smiling faces. And then to each and every one of you coming up, I really salute those of you who had to be assertive in your environment, and I believe you will be honored for it. Thank you to all our business leaders for gifting us today. Believe you me, doesn't matter how expert you are, you're going to speak to people you still have to prepare. So in their busy diaries, they made time to prepare, and there was nothing that was said here today that even me as a seasoned old lady from corporate world can say, I've known it was wasted. So thank you to each and every one of you for your gifting. I want to ask you, please send me what you can electronically so that we can send it out also to the group for utilization in your schools. Remember, we said this is to showcase what we have. For those of you, or for the elements that you think you would actually need one of these business leaders to come and engage with one of your groups, please feel free to do that within their diary constraints. But I think it's important that we let the seeds that were sown today, let it grow and bear fruit and change the environment around us. So really, guys, girls, I so appreciate your support for the extra day. It's another half day out of your busy diaries, and I really know that your 3 colleagues who's not here was just because of total impossible. But the good news is, for their sake, my darling husband came and he recorded everything, so it is available for them to go through. And if there are any of the sessions or any of the business leader giftings that you would like to have access to, we will look at how we can actually reduce and clean it up and give you those individual sessions, so that this gifting can just carry on gifting and gifting and gifting. Remember, a gift is not a gift until it's accepted, opened up,